Hey guys, Chad here with another installment of Lean Manufacturing with WireCrafters, and today we're going to talk about the M in Tempe wood, which is motion. Now, a lot of people get transportation and motion confused. Transportation is when you're moving a material or a set of information, usually between departments or between processes, whereas motion is any kind of waste of movement that's within a single process. So here we're in what's called our cage department. These guys package the hardware to install the cages that you guys get in the end. And one of the ways we eliminated was motion here, and the way we did it is when we first started the cage, we basically had our guys, we would give them a parts list and they would just go pull from what they could remember where everything was. So we decided, let's put everything in a bin location. So now it's all got a bin location, and that bin location prints out an order on the cage list here. So now the guys work in a continuous flow, starting at A, ending at Z, and they just work around in the same motion all day long, so they're not hunting and picking or backstepping. It's always a consistent order.